Okay, just moving the seat back a little bit. Let's move the camera down a little bit. Okay, that should be good. Right, so this one is going to be a review of Mazda 3. As you can see, it is fully loaded, as they say. It's got an automatic gearbox. It has got, you know, all the sort of computer, electronic handbrake, all the beautiful extras, heated seats, heated steering wheel. So yeah, it's a really beautiful car. So I need to press the brake and press start here. There we go. So as you can see, there is a screen in here that shows the speed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take it for a drive on some normal roads, a motorway, possibly some country roads, and yeah, I'll just let you hear what it sounds like. There's paddle shifters. It's a 2.2 litre diesel, about 140 to 150 horsepower, so it's a really nice car, really beautiful to drive. So okay, let's go. Let's put the seatbelt on. I'm gonna put this somewhere here just so that I know what it looks like. Let's get this a little bit lower. Okay, so handbrake off, and off we go. Oh wait, sorry, let's put it into drive actually. Drive. Okay. Wow, really nice. He's letting me pass here. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's so smooth. All the leather and all of the perks are absolutely ideal. So yeah, I think this one is going to be my favourite car to be reviewed so far. Just one pedal, and it's very beautiful and smooth. I can also show you how the sort of semi-manual or semi-automatic mode works. So let's get to this junction, press this, okay, so if you put it into here, now it's in third gear, so we can put it into second gear, third gear, fourth gear, and so on. You can put it back into drive, into automatic. It's very responsive. 2.2 litre engine is extremely fast. So let's take it to the motorway, get it up to 70 miles an hour. and then maybe take it on some country roads. For the fuel economy, I think you get about 40 to 45 miles to the gallon, which for a 2.2 litre engine is a very good economy. So all in all, a great car. It's also got this weird thing that if you brake, it's got the start-stop, and I've never experienced it in an automatic car. But it stops and it turns the engine off just by you holding the brake pedal, even if it's in drive. So I suppose that's an interesting little feature. We'll see if it does it now. So I have stopped. No, the start-stop is not kicking in, maybe because it's still a bit cold. And they're just having a casual chat on the traffic light. I've just realised that I went the wrong way. I was supposed to take another turn, but it's okay. We can get to the motorway here and then come off and do a bit of a U-turn. Right, so 20 miles an hour, gonna kick down, and I'll just show you how quickly. I mean, I'm literally just stepping on the pedal a little bit and it's accelerating extremely well, as you can see. And that's it, 70 miles an hour. Very easy, absolutely effortless. Absolutely beautiful. Long drives and motorway drives and country road drives, this car is perfect, absolutely perfect. There's not a thing I would say I dislike about it. So as I said, this is not the way I expect it to go, but I'm sure we can find a way back from here.